All right, picture this. You enter a room, look into her eyes, and within a minute, she's laughing, playing with her hair, and moving closer. She's flirting. Not because you're the most handsome guy there, but because she simply can't stop herself. Today, I will teach you the quickest and best way to attract any woman. It's not acting like an alpha or wealthy, it's causing her to desire to flirt with you, to constantly think about you, to want badly your energy in an emotional and also sexual way, beyond friendly. Whether you've known her for months or met her right now, you will use 3 easy psychological triggers from this video. After that, you'll see amazing things. She'll begin to behave differently with you. Her voice gets softer. Her laughs feel more for you alone. Her eyes keep yours locked a bit longer. You'll switch from boring, safe talks to electric interactions full of chemistry. This excites her greatly. Even better, I'll give you real examples, phrases you can say exactly to unlock her flirtatious side and make her chase you. Watch carefully and don't leave, because this is more than flirting tips. This is about awakening a woman's subconscious attraction triggers. Do this, and she won't just flirt, she'll give emotional investment. I'm Stephanie, and welcome to The Manipulated Mind, where we explain how attraction truly works underneath. Now, first, let me share something amusing, but key. The phrase that stops attraction dead for most women is, "I'm so sorry, this almost never happens." You know what it is. We're discussing premature performance problems. Believe me, it's very common. Roughly 30% of men face it. If a woman chooses to flirt with you, attraction grows on its own. When she flirts, her brain sends out emotional and sexual chemistry, dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, linking all to you. That's the way she connects you with pleasure, excitement, and dangerous curiosity. However, most women aren't easily flirty, even if they like a guy. The reason? Society trained them that being flirty or showingly sexual seems easy. So they hide that side, although they may wish to show it. Therefore, your role as a stable, confident man is to make her feel safe to be playful, open, and a little bold. The men who achieve this, who let women unwind into their flirty energy, are the ones women obsess over. That's the secret difference from the guy she enjoys talking to and the guy she daydreams about. Stay until the video ends to understand these powerful psychological triggers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Here's the truth most men never get. Women really want to flirt. They want badly that excitement, that tension, that small dance of attraction that makes them feel alive. But most don't let themselves go there. Understand that from a young age, women are taught to believe that showing their sexual interest is wrong. They're told advice like, don't be too forward, be a good girl, don't give him the wrong idea. So even when she's attracted to you, even when her body language shouts attraction, she'll hold back. It's not that she lacks the desire to flirt with you, it's that her mind has built a hidden barrier called social fear. Fear of being judged, fear of being labeled, fear of giving away too much power too soon. That's where most men lose the game, because they think attraction is about trying harder when the truth is making her feel safe enough to let her feminine energy out. Imagine this. You meet a woman. She smiles, she laughs at your jokes, there's chemistry. You can feel it. But every time you try to flirt, she switches the subject or keeps it neutral. You start thinking, maybe she's not into me. But really, she's testing if it's safe to show that side of herself. This is because when a woman flirts, she's revealing her desires, her curiosity, her vulnerability. Most women don't do that with just anyone. She wants to know, can you handle that side of me without judging it? If yes, you win her trust. If no, she shuts down. That's why some men get stuck in the friend zone, not due to being unattractive, but due to never building the emotional space where a woman feels it's acceptable to express her desire. Now, here's where it gets deep. This is pure dark psychology. When a woman feels emotionally safe but sexually intrigued, her brain changes how she sees you. She starts linking you with a special mix of comfort and danger. Safety tells her, I can be myself around him. Danger whispers, I wonder what he'll do next. That mix is irresistible. It triggers curiosity, obsession, and that slow-burning attraction that keeps her thinking about your interactions for days. The best men, the naturally magnetic ones, do this without even knowing. They create a space where women feel welcomed to flirt. They don't chase validation. They don't ask for permission. They lead. Let me make it simple. A woman flirts when she feels emotionally safe but mentally tested. She stays interested when she feels desired but not fully owned. She becomes obsessed when she feels understood yet still curious about you. That's the paradox. You must be both, the man who calms her emotions and the man who awakens her desires. It starts with one thing: creating the safe space for her to be flirty, open, and expressive. When she feels safe, her feminine side, playful, curious, sensual, emerges naturally. She doesn't have to force it. She turns into it. Watch the rest to learn exactly how to create this safe space and trigger her attraction. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Now, you might be asking, okay, Stephanie, but how do I really create that safe space? That's precisely what we'll explore next. These coming minutes are vital because this is where you change from just another guy to the one she remembers. This part builds on the psychology we learned. Now we look at the exact way a man makes that safe, flirt-ready space. This section has a good pace, feeling, and story flow to keep you watching. It's perfect for keeping viewers interested on the Manipulated Mind channel. All right, so since you understand why most women hold back, let's talk about releasing that side of her. How to make her feel totally at ease while her playful feminine energy wakes up. Here's the key truth. If you don't lead the energy, she never will. You allow flirtation to exist. You don't wait for the spark, you create it. Step 1. Lead first. Be the one who signals. Think of sexual tension like a dance. Someone has to take the first step. To make her flirt with you, use words, tone, and body language to show it's safe, fun, and completely normal. The simplest way to send that signal is with what I call semi-sexual compliments. These are short, respectful statements that gently imply attraction, making her feel desired, not like an object. See the difference. You're really smart. Fine, but neutral. You've got great taste in music. Still friendly. You look amazing in that dress. Now it's attraction. You're really cute when you laugh. Instant warmth. The right compliment says, I notice you as a woman. Say it calmly, not rushed or needy, to spark curiosity. She will wonder how it feels to be seen that way. Step 2, deliver and detach. Most guys fail here. They give a compliment and then wait, staring, wanting approval. That ruins the magic. True power comes from saying it, then moving on. Say the words, keep eye contact for a moment, and change topics. This tells her, I meant what I said. I'm comfortable with attraction. I don't need a response. This energy is magnetic since it shows security. It turns a normal moment into emotional tension. She will think, did he just flirt with me? By the time she understands, the chemistry has started. Step 3, use curious questions. After the tone is set, slowly steer the talk toward relationship or romantic topics. This lets her express her flirty side without shame. Start light. What do you find most attractive in a man? When was your first guess? Have you ever made the first move? These are fun, memory-filled questions that make her reflect. Reflection is emotional engagement. If the feeling is right, go deeper. What do you think you look sexiest in? What's the boldest thing you've done for someone you liked? What kind of chemistry catches your attention? Each question invites her feminine side out. Step 4, handle resistance calmly. Sometimes she'll test you. She might laugh, act surprised, or say, did you really just ask that? This is your key moment. Most guys panic. They apologize, explain, or get defensive. This kills attraction by showing shame. Instead, own it. Smile and say calmly, yeah, I did. No pressure though, I'm just curious about you. If she asks why, say, because confidence is rare. I like people who are comfortable with who they are. This is simple, grounded, non-reactive. You've shown you can handle feminine energy. That's when her guard drops. Step 5, mirror her energy. As she opens up, don't push harder. Instead, mirror her level of playfulness. If she teases, tease back. If she compliments you, give one back lightly. The rhythm should feel easy, like a tennis rally. True flirtation is about creating a loop of tension and release. This makes her want to keep talking and remembers you. When you lead with relaxed sexual energy, confident but not aggressive, her subconscious sees emotional safety. Her defense is lower, the brain's fear center calms, and dopamine rises. This is the state where attraction bonds form. You're not manipulating her, you're allowing her to feel free around you. That's the most seductive feeling. Watch to the end to learn the powerful technique that ignites the spark. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
Now the foundation is set. She feels safe and senses your confidence. But how do you light that spark? The spark that makes her lean closer, laugh, and flirt back. It's simple. You flip the script with one of the most powerful yet overlooked flirting methods. It's called playful misinterpretation. This method is so sneaky and smart, most women won't even know what you're doing. They'll just sense that pull, that warmth, that curiosity. Playful misinterpretation means exactly that. You, on purpose, misunderstand something she says and turn it into something a little flirtatious or suggestive. You're not being dirty or inappropriate, you're just introducing sexual polarity into a normal moment. This works because it skips logic and hits emotion. It tells her mind, he's confident enough to play with me, he's not afraid of tension. When done right, you show her 3 key traits. 1, boldness. You're not scared to lead. 2, humor. You can make tension fun. 3, awareness. You know when to push and when to relax. This mix, bold, funny, aware, is very attractive. Every woman reacts to it because it triggers a natural mirror response. When she feels that energy, her automatic reaction is to mirror it back. That's when she starts to flirt with you. For example, she says, "That t-shirt you're wearing is terrible." Most guys would argue, but you smile and say, "Wow, we just met and you already want me out of my shirt. At least buy me dinner first." It's cheeky, confident, and playful. It flips her comment into a sexual chemistry. She'll laugh, roll her eyes, maybe playfully hit your arm. All this shows emotional involvement. Another example. She says, "I spent my weekend alone, just relaxed and recharged." You respond with a smirk. "That's nice. Self-exploration is healthy. I'm all for getting to know yourself better." Said with a smirk, this is just suggestive enough to spark curiosity. She'll laugh, maybe blush, and say something teasing back. That's precisely what you want, an emotional exchange full of tension and laughter. Playful misinterpretation works because it changes how she thinks of you. Rather than seeing you as just another polite guy, she starts to see you as someone exciting but safe. You've introduced polarity, that electric difference between masculine and feminine energy. Polarity fuels attraction. Don't use it too much. If you make everything flirty, you'll seem needy. The key is rhythm. Tease, then pull back. Flirt, then talk normally. It's like waves, constant motion, never forced. This rhythm creates a feeling of anticipation, and anticipation is what seduction really is. The best way to get good at this is practice. Try saying things in different tones, calm, sarcastic, playful, until one feels right. It's not just what you say, but how you say it. Think about this simple sequence. 1, give a light, semi-sexual compliment. 2, ask a curious question so she opens up. 3, playfully misinterpret one of her answers. By the 3rd step, the energy has changed. The air feels charged. Smiles last longer. Silences are meaningful. Attraction grows through emotional tension from your presence and playfulness, not clever lines. This brings us to the most important layer, the mindset and emotional control that make everything work easily. Without this inner foundation, any technique will fail. Watch to the end to master this final, powerful layer of mindset control. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. So now you know how to flirt, but the real secret isn't technique.
it's mindset. Here's the truth. Flirting isn't about words. It's about energy. How you feel about yourself right then writes the story she lives. If you speak with tension, she feels tension. If you speak with warmth and certainty, she relaxes. If you carry quiet confidence, the kind that says, I don't need this to go anywhere, she starts wanting that energy. That's masculine polarity working. Every man who is irresistible to women has one secret quality, a strong inner frame. It's the emotional wall that says, I know who I am. I choose the tone of this moment. When she teases you, you smile. When she tests you, you don't flinch. When she pulls away, you stay calm. That's the emotional strength women want, not dominance, but presence. The feminine mind tests chaos against order.
When your order doesn't move, she feels safe and turned on at the same time. That's the contradiction that derives attraction, safety and danger together. Most men rush to break silence, but silence is power. When you hold eye contact and don't rush to speak, her mind gets busy. She starts putting meaning into the quiet. The human brain hates a vacuum, so it fills it with curiosity, tension, desire. The best flirts don't talk much. They pause. They let her imagination create. Desire isn't created by words. It's created by hinted-at possibilities. Here's the formula. Lead the energy. Never just copy her mood. Set it. Be amused, not reactive. Everything she says is a chance to play. Stay outcome independent. You're there to enjoy the moment, not to prove anything. Learn these 3 rules and flirting becomes easy. You stop trying to make her like you and start letting her enjoy you. That's when attraction changes direction. She starts trying for your attention. That's the essence of control, not manipulation, but magnetic gravity. From a mind science view, the more unexpected you are while staying emotionally stable, the more her brain releases dopamine when she's with you. Dopamine leads to anticipation, and anticipation leads to addiction. So when you create small emotional high points, a tease, a pause, a glance, you're not just flirting, you're teaching her nervous system to link you with excitement. That's the real power of the manipulated mind. You're not chasing validation, you're directing emotion. You become the emotional trigger she can't forget. Flirting isn't a trick, it's a language. The language of masculine presence meeting feminine curiosity. So remember this, lead with calm confidence, add humor with playfulness, create safety with composure, then inject tension with your tone and timing. Do that and every interaction becomes a spark. She'll laugh, blush, maybe tease you back, but under all that, she'll feel something. And that feeling is what makes her come back. I'm Stephanie, and this is The Manipulated Mind, where we uncover the hidden emotional triggers that shape human attraction. If this video taught you something, don't just watch, apply it. Practice the mindset, watch the examples again, and next time you talk to a woman, let your confidence speak. If you're ready to go deeper and learn the full plan that turns simple talks into real chemistry, look at the link below for a special guide. Remember, you are the signal. You decide the energy. Once you master that, she won't just flirt with you, she'll remember you. See you in the next video.